Hey guys, it's your girl FunSize here, and I'm back with another fun creation. So I've actually got some snippets together for you guys so you can actually see how to reupholster and re-spray paint your dining room chairs to give them a little makeover. So if you want to see how I did that or how I went about it, be sure to stay tuned. Also, if this is your first time checking into my page, thank you. I'm normally not sitting down like this, but today is a nice day. So stay tuned, and you know where to go from here. Like, the video gonna start. Later, guys. Hey guys, and welcome back to my page. So we are at the process of painting, and I'm using my stain paint to complete the desired look of the bench that I want to go in my guest room. I'm currently in the process of doing my head, so don't judge me. So I just wanted to get some footage to let you guys know the process, as I always do. And so far, so good. The Daybed Prt support beams, so I'm not really too pressed on how they will actually look because they'll be covered with a cushion. It's mainly the back parts and so forth. But I'm going to finish this up, keep you guys posted, and keep you guys up to date. Stay tuned to see what's up. And if you haven't already, be sure to check out my blog, funcreationblogs.wordpress.com. So I'm really excited that I started this, so I think you guys should check it out. This is now our lacquer on top as a finisher, and it has been almost 24 hours. I like to let my paint sit for 24 hours. Yesterday, it got so smoky in here because there's no ventilation in my basement. The way my porch is set up, it's like above my basement window, so my basement window opens directly under my porch. So that's kind of like no help for me. So I just wanted you guys to see this luxurious shine and how everything was coming out. Stay tuned, stay up to date. I'll keep you guys posted. I'm actually about to flip this bad boy over. Baby! And we're back, people. So this is how far we have came. This is how far we have come. I am really excited. As you can tell. So the shelves are now, I don't know why. See, this is how you know the shelf video really got me messed up. This is actually our day bed that this is turning into, and I wanted to show you guys how far we are now. I've actually flipped the boards over, and I have taken the time to paint each and every one of them with stain paint. They have all been sanded down with 3 different types of grit paper. They are smooth to the touch. They are magnificent. So I just wanted you guys to see how this, the funny part is, you see how they are. If I was to drop one, they would all fall like dominoes, which I thought was funny. I think I'll do that when they drop officially, just for the hell of it. So guys, stay tuned, stay posted. stay up to date. Be sure to go check out my blog if you haven't already at Fun Creation Blogs. That's FUNCREATIONBLOGS.wordpress.com. Come on, y'all know how to spell word, y'all know how to spell press, and you know how to press.com. So be sure to check me out so you guys can see everything that I'm doing. You don't want to miss a beat. Stay tuned, guys. I love you all. Thanks for staying and watching. Look, I'm so excited. I don't even know how to get my words together. Either way, stay tuned, y'all. Thank you. Be sure to hit that subscribe button that's somewhere in that area down there, and also turn on the notification bell so you can stay up to date with everything that I do.